Did you know you can turn your backyard into a natural pharmacy? Imagine having powerful medicinal plants right at your fingertips. Plants that can soothe, heal, and support your family's health naturally. And the best part? You don't need to be an expert gardener to do it. In fact, with the Medicinal Garden Kit link in the description below, you can start your own herbal garden today and grow your very own natural remedies at home. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create a natural home pharmacy from your garden. Start with medicinal herbs, known for their healing properties. For example, Echinacea boosts your immune system. Chamomile is great for relaxation and sleep. Calendula works perfectly for skin care and wound healing. Peppermint helps with digestion and headaches. And lavender reduces stress while promoting calm. The Medicinal Garden Kit actually comes with carefully selected seeds for these and other powerful herbs, so you don't have to research which ones to plant. You don't need acres of land to get started. A small raised bed, a few pots, or even a balcony garden will work perfectly. The key is giving each plant enough sunlight and space to thrive. Once your herbs grow, it's important to harvest and store them properly. For example, hang chamomile flowers upside down in a cool, dry space, or air-dry peppermint leaves to make soothing teas. Proper storage ensures your natural remedies are available year-round. Next, learn how to use them safely. You can turn your herbs into teas, tinctures, oils, and balms. Lavender oil works wonders for stress, calendula salve helps with cuts, and peppermint tea is a natural relief for digestion. The possibilities are endless, but always make sure to research or consult a professional if you're unsure about usage. So there you have it, your simple guide to creating a natural home pharmacy right from your garden. If you're ready to start your journey into natural remedies, I highly recommend the Medicinal Garden Kit. It gives you everything you need to grow 10 healing plants right at home. Check out the link in the description below and start building your natural pharmacy today. Nature has always been the best medicine, why not bring it home?